We're here at Muller Park, located near Wallace Road. This wonderful 3.6 acres of conservation land gives you a really nice, easy, about a mile of trail to traverse and hike. Anything you can do if you have a little bit of time on the weekend, or maybe just before you have to run off to work, definitely come out and check it out. It's a good place to bring your kids, and a neat place for Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts to try out their outdoor skills. Let's go. Let's check it out. The trailhead is very easy to find. It's located right off of North Amherst Road. There's ample parking and a kiosk that provides you some information about the trail itself. Dogs are always welcome on leash, and we do ask that you help keep our conservation nice and clean. There are trash cans available. This is a great place to picnic, hike, spend a couple of minutes, spend an hour. There's a nice little bog. You want to come out and take a look for salamander eggs, frogs, you name it. You want to make sure that you follow the red blazes. It's a loop trail, and it's something that, again, you can do very easily on any given day of the week. Come out in the winter time and do some snowshoeing. If you're not sure if you're the hiking type, this is a great trail to start on. Nice and level, nice and easy, and a loop so you don't get lost. Again, very easily marked with our red blazes.